Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. So today we are going to be doing a $400 budget gaming PC build. So this is a Ryzen build and we have an APU in it and also really good stuff. So yeah, let's get straight into it, shall we? So we have an AMD Ryzen 3 2200G. So this is an APU. It has Vega graphics. It's a quad core and it's a superb APU. So it plays games from low to medium, which is not too bad, but for the money you can't complain, guys. It comes at $100, but with its potential to be overclocked, it's just free performance, guys. So for $100, I wouldn't complain. It's a really good price. It's a steal at $100. So for the motherboard, we went with an MSI B350 Tomahawk ATX AM for motherboard. So this motherboard, it needs BIOS update to support these chips, but I would say that it will be better to go to a local retailer to purchase this motherboard, since they'll be able to update for you when they are selling it to you. And yeah, that'll be more easier than you buying a Ryzen and then Ryzen to which will just blow you out of your way of your budget. So at $64 after mail and rebate, it's really a good option, guys. So it's at $64.99, so I would assume $65. So a steal price, good motherboard, four slots of RAM, M.2 slot. It has all the bells and whistles you need, guys, for that price. Awesome. So for the memory, okay, so here where we're going to spend a lot of money, guys. So $100 on a G-Skill Ripjaws 5 series, 8 gigs 4x2 dual channel memory, DDR4 at 3200 MHz. So the reason I went with 3200 and not 2133, because Ryzen 3, the APU, I would say, loves fast memory. So if you have the more faster memory you have, the more better you'll get the performance. So I would say you buying this kit and also overclocking more for further free performance. So at $100, I wouldn't say that it's the best deal of all, but RAM prices right now are haywire. So yeah, it's a good bet for now. Okay, so for the storage, we went with an SSD and a hard drive combo. So we have for the SSD a ADATA Ultimate SU650 120GB SSD. So this will be easy for you to store your OS, which would make things run much more faster. So at $39, this is a steal of a price. And for the HDD, we went with an Hitachi UltraStar 1TB 3.5 7200 RPM hard drive. So it's coming at $37, still steal price, 1TB, plenty of storage for your games and for your files and not. So yeah, I wouldn't complain about that combo. So for the power supply, the thing that's going to power the whole system is an EVGA 500W 80 plus bronze certified ATX power supply. You can go down to 450W or 400W, since the system is only going to take is 172 watts. The reason I went with 500 is for future upgrade, so you can still add a graphics card and change your CPU without touching the power supply. But it all depends on you guys. If you want to change, you don't need to follow exactly. You can change, it's your wish. So last but not least, the thing that is going to house all of these components is the Deepcool Tesseract SW Raid ATX tower case. And I'm really sorry guys, I missed the price of the power supply. It's at $44. My god, that's really good. So for the case, it's at $20 after mail and rebate. So most of the prices are after mail and rebate, guys. So yeah, please keep that in mind. So it's $20 steel price, steel case, literally steel case. It has a 5.2-inch drive, so awesome. It has plenty of hard drive. It has slots. It has a window, so to show off your beautiful components. It doesn't have that much place for cable management, but I would say at that price you can't complain, guys. So I think that's about it. It's a still budget build at just slightly above $400. It's at $404.62. So for the price, this PC is really good, guys. I would say a steal, and you can also upgrade in the future. But yeah, I think that's about it. So if you want more budget builds like this, it is coming, guys. It is on the way, trust me. Stay tuned to the channel, so I'll be putting much more content more in the future. And yeah, I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.